So my Kmart steamer has decided to stop working. So it is heating up, but there's no steam coming out of the nozzle. Now I'm going to assume that it's because it's gotten a little bit of scale in here. So what I want to do is try and clean it out. This is actually my second Kmart steamer. The first one lasted me about 13 months, so just out of warranty. And then I just grabbed a new one because I needed it straight away. But this one I'm going to try and save. So I've already taken the shaft out that has the clothes hanger on it, and now I'm going to take the hose off. Let's hold on to this one, turn this clockwise until that comes up, and then you actually need to push this white piece up before you can pry that piece off. And now we want to empty the water tank. Now sometimes down in here you will see a whole load of sort of light yellowish crud. You should always be emptying out your water as soon as you've finished it every time, especially if you're not using filtered water. And there is the release valve down here to get all the excess in here down. Look, I never do it, to be honest. Probably why it only lasts me so long. But let's get all the water out of here as well by emptying this reservoir. And the stuff that is coming out of it definitely has a lot of scale, so it's definitely not clean water coming out of it. So yeah, no wonder. I'm gonna grab a kebab stick and just have a little poke around in here, just because, I mean, who doesn't love a good poke? Oh, there we go. Okay, so I've just had a little poke around in here. I didn't capture it on film, but loads of sediment just came out. Sediment, crud, whatever this is, just came out of here, which is what's been stopping the water from draining through here and out of here so that I can actually flush it. This is just some of the stuff that came out of it. So hopefully now that I've had a little poke around in there and got this flowing, I can do a few rinses of this and maybe, fingers crossed, maybe it'll work again. Please, please work again. So now I'm going to do a water and vinegar solution. So I have in here 1 cup of water. And I'm just going to add 1 cup of white vinegar to the mix, and just making sure that it's filtered water that I'm using because I don't want to add any more scale to the machine. So I'm going to pour it directly into this little reservoir here. I don't know whether this has sort of an open heating element inside, but let's just try and hope it absorbs some. And we're going to leave this to sit for a good few minutes. Do you think it'll work, Coco? Yeah, I think so too. I'm also going to pour some of the vinegar solution directly into this hole. It should take about 1 cup to sort of fill whatever this reservoir in here is. I'm going to make sure I rinse this really well as well with the vinegar solution because there's probably scale buildup inside here. I'm also going to try and fill some water through this hole and just let it sit within this for a few minutes, just in case there's any scale buildup inside the hose.
2 hours later.
And just to show you how to put the hose back on, you actually need to lift this white one so that you can push it down, and then just screw this back in. This is some of the year's worth of scale that was sitting in the machine clogging it up because I hadn't been using filtered water. Hopefully, by using my new water filter, it will last a little bit longer. So now I'm going to do something that you probably shouldn't do, but hey, better that I do it and blow myself up rather than you, hey? So I'm going to turn it on. Oh shit, don't do that.